You know what, guys? It's been 3 years. 3 years that I've started this YouTube journey. It's not been easy. It's tough, bro. It's tough. 3 years of procrastination, of doing things that I never thought that I would ever do, of waiting for life. But 3 years of hard work and nothing was coming out, guys. But don't I, guys? TD boys, we are still pushing the YouTube thing. You know what I've also owned for 3 years? Right there, guys. I've owned the markets for 3 years, Baba. Tinibo, this car has been with me since the journey of car culture, guys. This is car culture right there, the partner in everything that we've been doing, guys. This car has showed me life, it showed me all the ups and downs. It's crazy, guys, it's crazy. Today, what we're going to do is car culture. We're going to review my own car so that I'll be able to review your own cars, guys, and give you everything that I love about this car, everything that I hate about this car. It's been a journey, guys. 3 years of YouTube, 3 years of car culture. Let's get into the video. So with this car, what I've done with the interior is not much. I've only changed the Android radio. It used to have a nice radio. It did videos and stuff like that. But this radio, guys, just makes, think about that. You can just hear the music. You can just hear the sound. It's simplistic. There's no digital display here. It's just all analog. It does the thing. It works. It works. If you start it up, look at it. Look at the sound. You can hear the sound, guys. Just analog. All analog. And I love how it works. There's not much here. There's storage here, and also there's storage here and storage here. You have your glove box. It's downright very simple, but we love it. We love it. I love the touches that I did with this radio. It has given me a bit of a personal touch to me. And at the back, you have your 5-seater. You have your armrest, and you also have your cup holders for your passengers. It's pretty comfortable. It's a comfortable car. I love sitting at the back of this car. I love sitting at the back of this car every day. It's something that I love. This car, whenever you come, wherever you go, somebody just notices this car. And the exhaust pipes, oh my gosh. This V6 is nice.
So tell us about any modifications you've done on the car.
So so we've done the rims. The rims were nice, additional touch. There's my personal touch, but my personal favorites was the wing mirrors, the M-style wing mirrors. These my personal favorites. You know, funny story. I got this because someone actually bumped into me, and I didn't want them to pay, because they were having a tough time in their life, and I just told them I'll fix that. And I fixed those mirrors myself, but with an upgrade. The bumper as well. This is a 2017 bumper. This is a 2013 car with a 2017 bumper. It looks like a 2017, but it's not. It's because I first lifted the car. I made sure it was immaculate for my presence. I love things, eh? Car culture.
Tell us how it feels on the road.
This car drives like no Toyota, bro.
It should be so thrilling, innit?
Exactly. I've had this car for 3 years, you remember, right? I've owned it, I've driven it. It's a car that has been owned by a car guy, right? I've done everything. Maintenance-wise, this car has given me little problems. I've changed the brakes so many times. I think the biggest flaw of this car is its brakes. I think I change brakes after every 5 months because of my driving. I've changed the brake discs 2 times, the rear ones and the front ones as well. I think that's the only problem that I have. Other than that, I've just been servicing the car I've just been servicing the car and nothing much really. I've just been servicing the car. Oil changes, filter changes. It's a reliable car. This engine, I've done everything that I can do. I've done dragging with it. I've been drifting with it. I've been doing 180 every day. Yeah, not for the camera, but like I've been doing a lot with this car, and this car actually made me to appreciate the car that just passed, the old Mark X. It just made me appreciate, because I never owned that one. I just started with this one. So I've been out as a fan for a very long time, but like, wow, this has been the car. A daily drive, I tell you, it's perfect. What else do you want to know from me?
So how would you compare this car from the previous cars you've owned or you've driven, or any other cars that have featured on your channel?
I've owned about, I won't talk about cars that I've featured on my channel because we're still starting, yes. But like I've owned about 13 cars in my lifetime, cars that are running around with my name. People, I know you people, you haven't changed your name, your book names. Come to me and I'll give you my ID and change you. Because I'm, you know what I mean? Like I've had a lot of cars, but the most noticeable ones was the BMW 318M Performance. That was a fast car. I don't think acceleration-wise it tops this. Never, not at all. Natural aspirated. I've never owned a turbo car. All my cars have always been natural aspirated. I've had an Alteza. Oh, I did own a Subaru B5. Yeah, that was lovely, but like suspension-wise, I didn't love it. So apparently this car has a double wishbone suspension at the front, and it also has a multi-link suspension at the back. I've loved this car to the point whereby I am now satisfied Team Mark X. Team Mark X. I love the culture, but I'm a Mark X fan. This car does not, what it gives me, it's something that you wouldn't think you get from a Toyota. So apparently, you know, for a regular guy, especially like me, you don't have the money to actually own a lot of cars in your garage. This could be your daily, this could be your sport car, this could be your luxury car. It's a meeting car, it's a driving car, it's pleasurable. Every time, bro. Every time.
Do you have any challenges servicing the car here in Zimbabwe?
Not at all. Not at all. I actually do my oil changes on my own. The brakes, I'm not so well versed, but I would like to do some DIY myself, like, you know, just to understand your car and stuff like that.
Any difficulties finding spare parts?
Yeah, I think Transev is running out of brakes right now. The brakes that I have right now, I had to order them from Mutoko. There's a city in Zimbabwe called Mutoko.
Are you the one finishing the brakes?
Yes. So I actually ordered all of the brakes that they had in Mutoko because I know that I use a lot of brakes.
So how reliable is this Mark X?
As I've said, I've owned this car for 3 years. I've not done too many things on this car. I've only changed the rear shocks. I've changed the oil, obviously, after every 10,000 Ks. You know what I mean? It's for every car guy. I've changed the filters. The brake discs. The discs, won't forget about those. Yes, and the brakes.
Okay.
Maybe thrice a year.
For sure.
Yes.
Sure. What about the fuel consumption? The current prices on fuel costs.
I have gotten used, I would say. From the culture, I've gotten used. No, this is a Guzzler, guys. I don't want to lie to you. This is a Guzzler. But, well, I think it depends with the way you drive. If you drive like me, if you're a culture guy, then definitely fuel is not going to be your friend. You're going to be at the gas station every other time. But if you drive like that guy, this is going to be your friend. Because I have a day that I went to Mazoe. I was doing like a liter to 17 Ks to 19 Ks. I think that was fuel saving though. Yeah, but like in town, I usually do around 1:8, 1:9. So, so the more you press, the more. Yeah, I don't want to say that I press too much, but like definitely, I'm a bad example in terms of how this car performs in terms of its economic value. But well, with the reliability, I think it tops it up. It's okay. It's okay because I can use as much fuel as I can, but like not have to worry about the parts.
Okay, you said this is a 2.5 liter engine, right?
Yes.
Given the option of getting a 3.5 liter V6.
Definitely I will get the 3.5. Anyway, let me show you the 2.5. Let me just show you how it looks, right? Maybe let's just go into the bonnet maybe. I know it's dirty. I know it's dirty because we've been traveling a lot, doing a lot of things. But this is the V6. This is the engine. Quite immaculate. It's just a nice engine, if I tell you. But if I am to get a chance to get the 3.5 liter, definitely I'll get that. I'll get that. Remember, this car it won my heart. It won my heart. It won my heart. So this is what we're doing every day with the V6.
So after 3 years, the market has proven itself stylish, powerful and reliable to you. It's more than just a car. It's part of your journey in your car culture. Can you just tell us a bit more about that journey?
This car has taken me places that I never thought it would. Right here as we are filming right now, it's because of this car. I've met a lot of amazing people. I've met DiCaprio, I've met Gearheads, Nanya Shantauri, I've met Stephen Baru, shout out to you, Stephen. I've met a lot of people that I never thought that I would meet in this car journey, but it all comes down to this car because this is what started the journey, right? It is what started everything that we're doing right now. This is the mission that started the vision. If you know what I mean. Yes.
I get it.
Guys, we've done the needful. We've given you the review of the Mark X, guys. This is a car that I've owned with my heart. We're going to be doing more and more of these reviews, guys. And it's a car culture, guys. But at the end of the day, said it's not DiCaprio. DiCaprio has been filming these things. His hands are up there in the camera. Much love, DiCaprio. We've done this video. We are trying our best to do our things. What we just want you to do is comment, like, subscribe. This is a collaborative video. We've done the best we can. Tina Primila, obviously, variko behind the camera. But we're doing this for the love of the culture. For the love of the culture. Car culture! For the love of the culture, we are out. Yes.